So today, mukbang dapat to, pero wala na kaming food kasi kumain na kami. Ish.
Kumain na?
Ako kumain na.
Ako hindi.
Wait, do we do it again? My face looks so dead.
You saved the day, Essie.
Yep. I saved the day.
So I'm Jocelyn.
I'm Joey.
I'm Essie. Essie.
Spell mo, spell.
E-S-Y.
And today we're going to be giving
Hindi talaga kami yung pang-vlog mong friends.
And today we're going to be giving some college tips. Ano yung mga freshman regret niyo?
Not dating
oh my god.
Not dating a blockmate.
Not dating a blockmate?
So, sinong blockmate yung gusto mong i-date?
Wala na
Nasa
sila.
baba. O, isa lang naman yung babae. Not taking my GE seriously. Pataas din ang GY.
For me,
Yun
it's
lang, cut mo yun.
for me it's not taking my major seriously.
So, we should take everything seriously. Ang GEs kasi guys, yun yung before you do your majors. Major classes mo, yun yung parang sobrang related na sa course mo. And then GEs, yun yung parang general subjects na hindi specific sa course mo. Yun. So, take your GEs seriously and then take your majors even more seriously.
Alam ko na yung most regrets. Staying in a program na you don't really like.
Kaya regret ko din yun.
Ako rin dati.
It took me, 2 years before I shifted. I shifted to behavioral sciences. And she also shifted to behavioral sciences. So, halata ba guys? Maganda yung behavioral sciences.
Ang alam ko lang sa home side, mga heartbreaker.
Grabe
Let's see
po.
heartbreaker.
Mga comsan yan. Solid sila.
Be liquid, solid.
Yeah, the people that you're gonna meet sa comsan, sila yung... Tama ba, Gagi?
Oo nga, forever nga sa home side. Sa home side, may forever.
Tapos pagbagsak ka,
Forever talaga.
Forever
in college.
Forever college.
Pag na tayo bumagsak.
Hindi.
Paano ba hindi bumagsak sa class?
Makinig talaga.
Makinig ka, tapos umupo ka sa front row.
Okay lang ba matulog?
Matulog.
Kahit 5 minutes lang.
Mas efficient kasi yung nakikinig in class kesa nire-review mo after the class.
Ayaw.
Yeah.
True experience.
Tapos parang alamin na kung ano yung pwede mag-picture ng PowerPoint, kung bawal, kung pwede mag-record, kung bawal. Kasi sobrang disrespecting. Kung bawal pala, tapos gagawin mo. So make sure na pag like syllabus day or may chance na magtanong, alamin mo na kung pwede mag-picture or kung i-email yung PowerPoints para alam mo na yung pwede mong aralin.
Write down your notes every day. Yes.
Kaya kapag sinusulat.
Ako pag bago ng exam, sinusulat, nire-write ko lahat ng notes ko. Tapos, yun yung review ko. Pero pag math kasi, practice talaga.
Yes, math lord nga pala sila.
Practice. Mga prof. Yan parang high school teachers. They do what they want.
I have another college tip.
What's your college tip?
Mas nakatulong kapag nag-condo.
Mag-condo kayo.
College regret daw ni Essie is not dating his blockmate. So, andito na po yung blockmate.
Lol. Nire-checkan niya ako eh.
Take note of your cuts. Pag magka-cut kayo, alamin nyo kung ilang cuts pwede per cell. Know the value of your cuts.
I have another pro tip. Listen to your body. There are times kasi na yung body natin, di ba?
Kaya nga naman tsaka.
Sometimes you need sleep rest, and it's very important. So sometimes cutting back on sleep will only make your body condition worse.
Yeah.
Take care of your body.
Huwag nyo i-romanticize yung mga all-nighters. Don't make it a point to cram things to the point na mag-all-nighter. ka na. Hindi mo dapat hinahangan ng all-nighter.
Baka
Make sure to get enough sleep. And And Instagram story, everything. Mag-vitamins kayo.
Okay, ulit.
Always drink water. Sleep. Kapag sad kayo, maghanap kayo ng crowd. Kaya kapag makasalubong mo sa hallway, sasayaw kayo.
Nag-broken heart.
Mga day.
Sino ba? Hindi ka ba magkapala?
Wait lang.
Hot on ka.
Bye!
Doon kayo sa mga walang ex.
Huwag kayo sumali ng super daming orgs.
Ano? Huwag niyong papatayin bigla yung electric fan sa classroom o yung air. Pinapatay ng dinyo. Dapat kinakonsult yung mga kaklase nyo. Ganun.
So yun, huwag kayo masyadong mag-commit sa mga bagay na hindi pa kayo sure kung mababalance nyo.
So, mag-sleeveless kayo tapos walang jacket.
Always bring a jacket.
Tapos papatayin mo kami ng electric fan.
Holy shit.
Yan. So anything. Kasi parang di mo pa naman natatansya yung college life mo. So, tansyahin mo muna bago ka sumala sa madaming things. Kasi pangit naman if sasali ka sa madaming bagay. Tapos may hirapan ka, magsasuffer yung ACADS mo. Or kung i-prioritize mo ACADS mo, magiging inactive ka dun sa org. That's very shameful.
So, yun lang.
So, huwag ka basta-basta sumali sa orgs. Or anything, you know.
Be sensitive sa mga people around you.
Hindi ba?
Hindi pa rin ba yun? Hindi, ayaw mo na to. Diba?
Pagdala ng jacket.
Hindi, kasi marami, iba't iba yung tao sa college eh. Iba-iba yung environment na ni-raise sila sa college.
Different cultural background.
Kayo pareho ng pinanggalingan. And
like siya, Chinese siya.
Huwag kayong mag-judge agad.
Hindi ko siya sinudge nung inuuna niya yung kanin sa ulam. Kasi maghahalo naman sa Chan.
Kung physically
Parang
active
15 minutes ka lang naggaganon-ganon ng mga.
Huwag mo itigil sa
nangyari.
college kasi magkaka-freshman 15 ka.
Mind your body because...
And mental health.
Yeah.
And those around you.
Ano tips niyo? How to make friends in college?
Just talk to them.
Yeah, just talk. Lalo na pag first date.
Shit, solid.
Wala na, suspended na.
I mean, para lagi niyo lang tandaan. Pare-pareho kayong, walang kilala. Pare-pareho kayong scared. Like, pag fresh ka. Pare-pareho kayong scared. So, just don't be afraid to meet people. Say hi. Lahat kayo medyo
Yung chapter 1
shy.
natin.
So, just go for it. No-brainer mo na. What's the worst thing that could happen? Friendly ka.
You guys got this.
Alamin nyo yung campus nyo, all the good spots.
Not the Momo spots though.
No. Just, you know, like ngayon, dito kami sa spot na to.
Momo has
Mahangin, maliwanag. Sa mga ganyan, yung mga wild party. Punta kayo, but like, huwag nyo gawin buhay.
Take care of yourself.
And consent is key.
Oo.
Diba?
Huwag nyo
And control.
Like, kung kayo gusto nyo mag-ganon na madalas, like, a lot of people aren't comfortable with the same things that you might be comfortable with. So, you also have to
Be sensitive to them.
Yeah.
Control yourselves, guys.
Lalo na kung may class kayo the next day. Also, don't do too many stupid things.
Yeah.
Nagkano pag freshie pa lang kayo, huwag kayo gumawa ng stupid stuff pag fresh.
You want to be known for the achievements, not the...
Your personality. Yun pala, when you make friends, huwag niyo masyadong pilitin na makisama. Pero yung i-change mo yung identity mo para mag-fit in. Stay yourself and then the right people you will attract the right people. Kasi pangit naman kung pinilit mo yung sarili mo sa isang crowd, tas parang sinusubukan mo mag-fit in sa kanila. Pero like at the end of the day, hindi na yung true self mo yung nagugustuhan nila, kundi yung person na you want them to like. So paano pag you're yourself na di ayaw na nila sa'yo, gano'n? So dun ka na sa mga tao na will accept you for who you are. Diba? Parang kapag nagla-like ka, diba nakakapagod mag-like? Kasi kailangan maalala mo yung mga linalife.
Just tell the truth.
Diba? All the truth is
Honesty
easier
is the
to
best
remember.
policy.
High school lang naman yung nag-fit in eh namin. College na wala naman.
Huwag kayo mag-change, mag-grow kayo.
Oo.
Parang huwag mo isipin na you can get through college all by yourself. I mean, I know
Pagupit ka na!
you can get through it alone. Pero baka mapapahirapan sa sarili mo. Kasi a lot of like upper batch, if you know, you can like ask for
Upper batch ko nila.
yung mga
Okay?
yung mga transcripts, mga notes, ganyan. And books also. You don't always need to buy books.
You guys can always ask.
Yeah. Don't be afraid to ask.
Like me, tinatanong ko yung mga exam natin.
Okay.
Ano college tip?
Wala. Huwag na kayo mag-college.
Hi! What's your college advice?
Eat healthy when you can and while you can. Also, if you live close to somewhere you can jog, go jog. It's better to get like physical activity so that you have more endorphins because you need drink coffee.
Drink coffee.
Just enjoy.
Just enjoy.
And keep exploring.
Nice.
Just keep studying.
Keep studying. Nice, nice.
College advice. Go around knowing your blackmates. Get to know them. Check out the cool spots around the city.
Nice. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Bye-bye.
So guys, that's all for today. Once again, this is
Essie.
Joey.
and Jocelyn. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe na din if you have not yet subscribed, and click the bell button para updated kayo. And comment down below kung na-enjoy nyo to and what other videos you wanna see. So
Ano
yun. Ano kaya? So anyway, that's all for today. Love you guys so much.
Alam ko
Hugs and
na.
besos.
Milk tea around Manila.
Milk tea lang.
Milk tea shops.
Pwede. Yun. Mga ganun, mag-comment lang
Study
kayo.
areas. So, ayan.
Mga nag-aaral kasi kami.
Workout tips.
Okay, gagawa ko ng video with Essie. Gusto niyo ba yun?
Hair care ka, Jocelyn.
Hair care. Okay. Anyway guys, bye. Love you guys so much. Hugs and besos.
Bye-bye.
I got a feeling that we got a chemistry. Give me what's on your mind. Telling me everything, but it ain't happening. Wish I could read your vibe.